Hey boys and girls, welcome to Craft Time. We have a fun craft that we're going to do today, and we're going to show you the things that you need to do it. We are going to make a beaver door hanger. Now, do you remember how Stephen was very helpful? He helped the believers and worked with them, and that's like beavers. Beavers are very helpful, and we're going to learn a little bit more about beavers as we do this craft. But what you're going to need is the door hanger. You're going to need the beavers, the cutout of the beavers, and we need a glue stick and some markers, which we have. What we're going to do is glue the beaver onto our door hanger, and then we're going to decorate our door hanger. We might want to put a pond on it. We might want to put a forest, maybe the beaver cutting down a tree. We can make it so that the beaver's cutting down the tree. However you want to do it, that's pretty neat. But let's go ahead and get started with this craft.
Beavers are the largest rodent found in North America. They're usually about 40 pounds, but some weigh as much as 80 pounds. Beavers do a lot of hard work, and they help the other animals around them. They create ponds where fish, turtles, frogs, and birds can live. The Bible tells us about a man named Stephen, and he did a lot to help others, just like a beaver does. He worked hard to help the church grow. He warned people about the danger of believing things that weren't true. He wanted everyone to know that Jesus could save them. So let's be like Stephen. Let's be like beavers. Let's do what we can to help others today.
Well, we've had a lot of fun today making this craft. I even made one. I have my little trees and the pond, and I even have a stump where he had chewed off the tree and cut it down, using it for his dam. I hope you are able to have lots of fun with this craft. Aiden's still working on his craft, so we'll let you go for now. Bye-bye.